Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. All right, so now that you've been warned, we're going to open the next item in our Notions box. So this one is amazing color. It's got this red and white bag stripe, and it says, "Will open for fabric." So in the Christmas kid test, I am squeezing it. It's pretty flexible, but also a little rigid. It doesn't feel like paper. And will open for fabric. I mean, yes, I'll open anything for fabric, people. Okay, so I'm going to open this up, and we will see what's inside. It is a little tricky wrap. It's like the package from your grandma at Christmas, right? Okay, so inside there are two quilting themed door tags. There's actually it's different for each person's box. So if you're opening this with a friend, you might have these two. You might have something different. But these door tags say, the first one says, "I'm not messy. I'm just creative." Yeah, I feel like I should tell my husband that every day. I'm not messy. I'm just creative. And on this one, it says, "If you see me with a seam ripper, now is not a good time." Yes, if you're working on a project and you get that seam ripper out, now's probably not a good time. On the back, it also says, "Welcome to Fill in the Blank Studio." So that way you can put your own name on there and make the door tag your own. These are fantastic for that sewing room at home that you want to keep all those shady people you live with out of. It's also fun. We were thinking to take these to a retreat as well, that it's a great way to kind of mark your space and just, bring some wit and humor onto the retreat. And so I guess like the saying goes, I'm not messy, I'm just creative. I'm going to put this outside my sewing studio, and I will only open the door if you are bringing me fabric. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do one item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our puzzle mystery quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.